Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening built-in tools so you can read exact drive numbers. First, press Start and type Storage or Open this PC. These show available drives. In Windows settings, go to System then Storage to see breakdowns. This PC's properties also lists total disk capacity. Once done, note the drive letter C, D. Make sure to identify whether you're checking an internal SSD/HDD or an external USB before moving on. Next, open Disk Management to get precise partition and physical disk details. Right-click Start and choose Disk Management. Here you see Disk 0, Disk 1, and exact capacities for each volume and any unallocated space. Once visible, compare the reported total disk size against partition sums to confirm accuracy. Make sure to note the file system types like NTFS or XFAT, and whether any space is reserved for recovery or OEM partitions, because that explains differences between marketed and Finally, use command line tools for verification and troubleshooting. Open PowerShell and run get physical disk, or use wmic disk drive get size, caption to see raw byte counts. Disk parts list disk shows disk size and basic status. Once done, convert bytes to GB if needed. This explains advertised versus actual capacity. If numbers still look wrong, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm detected size, and make sure SATA/USB cables are secure. Hardware faults often cause size mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.